Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing Essay. In today's video I'll be showing you the end of autumn garden tour. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start over here where the sun don't come so much now in winter. So there's 3 buckets over here that I'm keeping for the cauliflower. Then next to that we got this is wild garlic, and next to that is a dull growing, and this is just a dull plant with all seeds, and all of this is dull, but it's probably not gonna make it because it's not the time to grow dull now. Then there's the leeks. See how nice they're growing now, they're just getting bigger each day. Got the jalapenos here, but this once I harvest this, then I'm gonna trim down the tree because you can see how the leaves are looking. Then behind we got some more leeks over there. Then this is the bell pepper tree. Once I harvest from all of them, I'm gonna prune them down. Yeah, you can see how the leaves are doing, and there's still 1 or 2 bell peppers on here. I just want to see how's it gonna go before I take this tree down. And I got a Swiss jar over here. There's 2 chili trees growing in here. Some more Swiss jar and another chili tree. And this chili tree here, as you can see, the leaves is all falling down also. So that's why I need to prune them, because when winter comes, they're not gonna grow so much chilies, so it's no use I keep them. I'm just gonna prune them down. Got some more leeks growing there, and then this is where the cucumber was, but yeah, this cucumber's not gonna make it, so I'm gonna be taking this out soon. And next to that is where I planted the radish, and they're starting to come out now. And there's a hole here because when it was raining like that, so this is under gutter, so the water was dropping all the time there, and my soil is loose, so that's why I made that hole there. And then here's the other set of leeks, another chili tree that is gonna go soon. So I'm gonna prune all 6 of them, but it's fine, I have a lot of chilies because over the months I'll just keep, so I'll have chilies for the winter, so I don't have to worry. And there is still chilies on here that needs to be harvested. And then next to that is the Carolina Reaper, what also needs to be harvested, but I don't think I'm gonna prune this one just yet. I first want to see how it's gonna go on before I do that, because the leaves still look okay. But yeah, we will see when time comes, because see the ants on here and there's like eggs on here, so I might have to actually prune it just to get all those diseases out. And over here is the chives. It's always growing, but you can keep for probably quite a long time, probably 2-3 years, maybe even longer. And then next to that is the carrots. I just need to fill up more of those gaps. There is some seeds were germinated, but not all germinated what I wanted to germinate, so soon I'm gonna have to be planting some more seeds in there. And then there, yeah, that's the carrots. And the side is the brassicas. So there's a red cabbage, more red cabbage, green cabbages. The side is the broccoli, that's kale, and this is pak choy. There's something wrong with the soil in those 2 bags, because look how nice that one is doing. So I'm gonna have to check out what's going here. So I'm just gonna need to see what is going on in the soil. I'm gonna have to take that out and test out what is going on there. Because see there, this one isn't growing so big, and the other one in here died, and look how the kale is looking, and in there, and look how the leaves are looking on this one. So I'm gonna have to see what's going on in there soon. And down here we have some basil, that is more broccoli what is germinating over there. And then here is the cauliflower, so this cauliflower is going to be planted there on that other side. Next to that, some kale growing in here, not doing it the best. And then in here underneath with the kale was, this is potatoes what is coming up. So I'm just gonna see how that's doing. But I think I need to replant this kale. And then over here is the mustard growing, and they're doing very well now. Leaves are getting big. And here's a peas growing. But you see this piece is still small, but they want a flower. So what you're gonna do is just take this off. The plant is still too small. And this is the pomegranate tree. Now that winter's on the way, all this leaves is gonna start falling off now. And then next to that we have the rosemary. I need to start trimming this down because so it can grow new ones also in, but it's doing very well. Like since I planted in a bigger pot like this, I never had no problems, because normally when I have it in smaller pots, like after 4 months they die. But I just planted them over now. They're doing much better than I ever did with all my other rosemaries. And inside here is another broccoli growing. Then over here is my lemon tree. It's growing now, nice leaves. So once it starts again giving flowers or fruit, and I'm just gonna leave it and let it grow the fruit, because I have it now about 2 years. So about 2-3 years if you have it, then you can allow it to grow fruit. And the tree is quite big now from what I did have before. So yeah. And over here is all the lettuce what germinated. Next to that is red onions. Then underneath there we have some more stuff. And take this off quick. We got some Swiss chard growing here. And behind that we have a whole row of ants just going here. I don't know where they go into. But anyways, then here is the pak choy growing also. And in here is also the garlic. So everything in here is going quite nice for the time being. But I wonder where they all going. Seem like it's moving day for the ants. They're all going that way, away from the garden. And then down here we got another plant. I'm not sure the name of this plant or this plant. I just know vegetables. I'm not so well known with flowers and that. And then next to that we have okra. And there's 2 new ones coming along now. And then in front of the garlic we got some onions. This is the red onions. So there's still 3 left. Probably gonna take them out in the next week or so, because I want to get that other onions in here. Next to that we got is eggplants. So it's 2 eggplants, 3. I'm gonna have to trim them down and prune them the same way I'm gonna do with the chilies. Behind the eggplants we got is the Brussels sprouts growing over here. And behind the Brussels sprouts we got is more beetroot growing here. Just gonna need to thin them out soon. Once they get a bit bigger, then I'll thin them out to see which ones look the most weakest of them. And on top over here we got this, the apple mint. And down over here we have some more pak choy and peas, and the other leeks is growing in there. And down from there is most of my herbs now. So this is oregano. Got some more purple basil. If you have basil and you want it to last longer, once you see the seed heads coming, just pull that off, and then they will get more bushier and it won't go to flower and shrink the rest of the leaves. But they have to come out like every day, every second day, because those do go quickly to seed once it starts going to seeds like this, the flower heads. Behind that we got some more peas growing here on top of the corn. So this is a bloody butcher. Yeah, but this tree is done for already. Here is 2 on here. It's quite small. But I'm gonna take them off and I'm gonna use just the seeds to replant and then to get more trees. And behind that corn we have 2 plants of thyme. This one over here is growing now nicely. That one look like it's gonna start dying off. I'm gonna have to harvest all of that thyme soon. Not all, but most of it, and leave some so it can just overwinter. Next to that we got is the celery. It's about 5 plants in there. So what I do is I'm just gonna trim off and leave the others. I don't pull the whole thing out yet. Then next to that is the granadilla tree. And there is about 2 flowers on, but they're not gonna make it. This is just gonna fall off by next year or by after winter. They will probably fruit up. And in there is another pea plant growing over there. And down from there is the beans. So this is bush beans, and I was gonna take them out a few weeks ago, and I just saw like last week they started flowering again. So I'm gonna get now my second batch of beans from them. So that's good news over there. And then I have another flower here, another plant here, which I also don't know the name of. If you know the names of those plants, you can just comment it down below. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And every Wednesday or every second Wednesday I upload how the garden is going. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down below, and you can become a member or send super thanks. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.